There's been massive political development as far as Assam is concerned in the recently held Bodoland Council elections, which are seen very crucial ahead of the next year's Assam Assembly elections. The regional party Bodoland People's Front, which had in past ruled the Bodoland Council for years together, and it actually went out of power in the last election in 2021, has this time swept the elections by winning as many as 28 out of the total 46. Its top leader, Hagrama Mohilari, once again now ready to form the government. However, these elections have also come as a political jolt for the BJP, which was looking to strengthen its base in the Bodoland region, given the fact that since 2016, when the BJP won for the first time in Assam, winning the Assam elections, and then subsequently winning the next election as well. Bodoland Council election is one election where the BJP could not make much mark. Last time it had won 9 seats and was part of the UPPL-led government, but this time its seat numbers have come down to only 5. So this is a kind of a setback for the ruling BJP. The main party of the last ruling coalition, the UPPL, could win only 7 seats. So it's a major setback for UPPL as well. But perhaps the biggest setback is for the Congress. Remember, this was the first election of any form under the leadership of Gaurav Gogoi, and the party could not open its account in Bodoland region, which is no more its stronghold. It is seen as a weak party in Bodoland, but there were a lot of expectations given the fact that Gaurav Gogoi was campaigning. So was Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma campaigning for the BJP. But it seems that the regional party BPF has once again won the trust of the people, sweeping the elections, and they are all set to form the next government in Bodoland region. But one have to wait and watch whether, despite having clear majority, they actually combine with the BJP or not.